Hey guys, welcome to All Things Tech. Today we're gonna be changing our engine filter or air filter, whatever you call it, and also we're gonna be changing our cabin filter. If you drive your vehicle and there are smell coming out of your cabin or whatever, you better check your cabin filter for that and so on. So you don't have to actually be a pro to do these things. You can easily do this at home to save yourself some dollar. All right, so stay tuned. This is a 2017 Kia Sedona. We're gonna be changing these two filters in a little bit. Okay, so it's pretty easy. If you want to change your engine filter after oil change, if you haven't checked yet, please check my video on how to change or how to make an oil change at home to help you save money. It doesn't have to be a Kia. We just follow the steps and you should be able to do an oil change. Oil change is pretty easy. You can do that at home. And again, you should always once in a while take your vehicle to the dealership for checkups. During an oil change, they can run a comprehensive check on your vehicle to tell you if your vehicle has any issues. So I do it once in a while. Even though I can do most of these things myself, I do it once in a while, guys. So to do that, it's fairly easy, guys. Just you want to pull the side open where it says pull. So it says pull here and here. So just pull it open, and then this is the old engine filter. You want to pull it out gently. After an oil change, it looks like mine is still pretty clean, but I'll change it anyway. I see a little dirt at this side. I already bought it, so I'll change it anyway. So you take that off, and then you grab your new one. Don't forget to hold the side, right? This is where you hold, and you put it back in gently, guys. Very sorry. There you go. Flip it up and put it back in. Make sure it sits, and you close it. Voila! This is how to change it. We are all set with changing our engine filter or air filter, guys. So stay tuned. We're gonna be changing our cabin filter real quick.